Tracking open rates on send signature requests can be a game changer when it comes to understanding engagement and making sure your documents are being seen. Today, I'll show you exactly how to track these open rates in just a few simple steps. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also show you a tool that makes this super easy, and I've got an exclusive free trial for you if you want to follow along. The first thing you'll need is the right software to track your send signature requests. Not all platforms offer open rate tracking, but the good news is I've tested the most popular ones and found a solution that really works. Our software allows you to see exactly when your document was opened and even gives you detailed analytics about how long it was viewed. This gives you the peace of mind knowing your signature request wasn't just sent into the ether. Now, once you've sent your signature request through the software, head over to the tracking section of the platform. You'll typically find a dashboard that shows you real-time updates about your document status. Look for a tab or section labeled something like Document Status or Open Rates. It'll give you a clear indication of whether or not the recipient has opened the document. Some platforms also let you know exactly when it was opened and how much time the recipient spent on the document. This level of detail is extremely useful for following up. But here's the cool part. Many platforms, including the software we'll be using today, send you notifications when the document is opened. So, if you're on the go or need a quick update, you'll know instantly. This makes it easier to follow up and keep things moving forward without the guesswork. One key thing to remember, some platforms have different methods for tracking open rates. With some, you may get a notification or email once the document is opened, while others will show you the stats directly in your account. If you're not getting the detailed tracking you need, it may be time to switch to a better tool. As for the software we're using today, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it, and the tracking system is simple but effective. You'll be able to see whether your signature request was opened within seconds, and you'll get all the details in a concise, easy-to-read format. Plus, it integrates with most major email platforms, so you can stay in the loop no matter how you send your requests. Here's a quick tip. If you want more advanced tracking, look for a feature called Document Analytics or Engagement Reports. These reports give you a deeper dive into how your document is being interacted with, whether it's being shared, forwarded, or downloaded. This is particularly helpful if you're sending contracts or agreements and need to ensure that every step is being followed. To wrap it up, here's the key takeaway. Tracking open rates on send signature requests can save you time and improve your follow-up process, making sure that your documents aren't just sitting unread. The software we've used today provides this feature and more, and you can easily start tracking these rates by simply heading to the document status or open rate section after sending your request. Don't forget, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. You can follow along with this tutorial and see firsthand how easy it is to track those open rates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.